How to check Facebook login devices on iPhone, log out of all devices. To check the logged in devices on the Facebook account on your iPhone, what you do is launch the Facebook app itself first and log into your account. Tap on the menu icon from the bottom right of the screen. Then tap on the gear icon, which is located at the very top of the screen. From the top of it, there you can see the option called Settings or Account Center. So go to the Account Center option. From Account Center, go to the option Password and Security and tap on Password and Security. Here you can see the option called Where you are logged in. So just like there, you can see where you are logged in option. Tap on it, select your Facebook account, and you will see a list of devices where your account is logged in. You can remove either of these devices one by one by selecting it and tapping the logout button. But if you want to remove all these devices, scroll down and tap on Select Devices to log out. Then from here, tap on Select All the devices. Then tap the logout button to remove your Facebook account out of all those devices. This way you'll be able to log out your Facebook account from all devices. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.